What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I just want to do a real quick video. I don't think I really filmed anything. I think maybe a short clip cutting out the honeycomb on the windows, but we just did a pretty extensive project here. We did a flatbed on a 2019 Dodge Ram 1500 Rebel, 100% fully custom from scratch. It's got two giant toolboxes in the back, tow package built through the bed that goes into the factory tow package, so it's plenty strong to the frame. Yeah, check it out. Still has reverse camera, still has everything. It's got the guy's ranch logo in it. So here it is. So check it out. I have some pictures of the full build process. See, I don't remember if I have these locked or not, but there is the toolbox. As you can see, it is plenty big. It was like an 18 by 24 by 24 or something like that. Like, it was pretty massive. So the whole bottom half, everything except the headache rack, we did do a Raptor liner, bed liner kit. And that stuff, it honestly goes down so good. As long as you do it nice and thick, it works really well. We have our logo riveted on right here. We have the clear tail lights, clear reverse lights, and then I did the smoked, everything is LED, but I did do the smoked little round red lights. That way they're bright, they kind of blend in a little bit. They look really good. Let's see here, if I hit unlock, should all light up. So there you go. And then another toolbox on this side, same thing. Yeah, that one's locked. And then we do have the gas fill here, same one that we did put in the Pathfinder rock crawler project. Oh, thanks, buddy. Brought me over a leaf. So there's our little gas fill. You have your tie down points here, and these other built-in D-rings here, which flip up. I did bedline both top and bottom of them. We do have here his ranch logo, special request, and then the honeycomb window covers, which is another special request. And as well, we do have the clear running light and brake lights. Everything is wired for running light and brake light. And then the front ones here, we do have ambers. I got the front caps as well, but I will turn on all the lights, show you guys. Just starting to get dark a little bit, so you'll be able to see everything. One more cool little feature that we did, another special request. You can't really tell they're there, but you can see these little smoked lights, same ones that we did put on the back. I just had to order more, and these are actually amber. So when the truck turns on, they glow amber. All right, I'm gonna turn the truck on real quick so you guys can see the front ambers. Start the truck. And then I'm gonna make sure the lights are on here. All right, lights are on. Check it out. You guys can see the front ambers. Those are pretty cool. All right. And then you can see the side amber markers and the side back red marker. And then the top ones, and I do still have the key, so I should be able to make it blink for you guys.
Cool lights, Daddy.
Cool lights, huh? And then I'm gonna hit unlock, so it should flash like as if it's the blinkers or the strobes. So that side is wired individually for left signal and everything. This side is wired individually for right signal. And the reason we have two instead of three, because we kept the reverse camera and we did a LED light bar, as well as we upgraded the trailer plug so we could have a 4-prong pin and your normal 7-pin. And of course we did put the hole so you could drop your spare tire. The middle two that aren't glowing, those are the reverse lights, and they are decently bright. There you go. And then you have these side markers. The top part, we did just do gloss black. He wanted that painted, so that's why it is a shade different. You can see the difference. But there you go, guys. Let me know what you guys think. We do take custom builds constantly. This guy had a very specific flatbed design that he wanted, and it was a little bit different from all the ones that you could go pick up. All the other typical brands, they kind of cookie cutter them, and they're, for the most part, they're universal. This one being the Dodge Ram Rebel and the 1500, it's really short right here because it's the crew cab. I think he had a really hard time finding a bed that was actually made for this truck. I don't know if they honestly even make them, because I know they make them for the diesel short bed, long bed. But this being a 1500, typically people don't put flatbeds on them. They might make them, they might not, I don't know. But this guy, he wanted a very specific styling and for a very specific truck. So we knocked it out for him, and I think he's really gonna enjoy it. He's picking it up tomorrow morning. So we did wash down the truck real quick. It's been sitting in the back. As you know, we do have a dirt lot in the back. So it got pretty dirty, so I went ahead and just gave it a full detail. As you can see, it's pretty shiny. Scrubbed it down. Kim helped me do the windows. But it's nice and clean, ready to go. So he's really excited to get it back. So there she is. Alright guys, so thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next video.
You